Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again guys. Alright guys, today I going to make the grass jelly drinks. So from my previous videos I was promised that I will make the grass jelly drinks. So today I going to introduce you the ingredients. What is the ingredient is. Every people they have different style how to make the grass jelly drinks. Alright guys, first the important thing is the coconut guys. The coconut will be grilled guys. Grilled coconut. So I going to grate it the coconut later on. And then this is the pandan leaves. Alright, pandan leaves, of course water. Right, this is little salt. This is a white sugar. And this is the coconut sugar. Alright, I will show you guys. So this is the ingredients will be. Right. We're going to move. Alright, cook water. Okay, this is a grilled coconut. Maybe need to check from this side. Alright guys, here we go. This one is the coconut sugar, white sugar, and little salt in the small container. This is salt. Right, this is the grilled coconut, and then this is pandan leaves. So we're going to boil all of these ingredients guys in the pans. Alright, we're going to boil it together in one pan. So until the brown sugar, the coconut sugar will become melted, so it going to make the flavor of the drinks become more tasty guys. So just check it out the video guys, don't skip the video. You will see how I make the grass jelly. So we're going to start right now. Going to reheat the water. This is 500 milliliters of water. We're going to boil this water first. Alright guys, so we have to let it the water boiling. So after we're going to put one by one of the ingredients inside of the water. While waiting the water boiling, I'm going to grate the coconut first. So one of the time finish everything. The one we going to put. So guys, the water are boiling. You can put one by one the ingredients. First, okay. White sugar. Put together, salt, pandan, Continue. While waiting the sugar melted, I continue to grate the coconut. It melted. So now next one is coconut milk. This coconut milk, we going to get the juice. To squeeze little by little. Make sure you wash your hand, guys. Do you know why I use the grilled coconut, guys? Because the flavor, the smokiness from the coconut will give the flavor of the drinks. Very nice, guys. See, a little bit burn. Do you know the flavor of the burnt coconut is very nice? Will give different taste, guys, than the normal coconut one that you didn't grill it. The taste is different. For me, in my family, we like to do it like this. So we grill the coconut and then we squeeze after we cook a little bit, just to make the coconut milk a little bit warm. Then we can mix it up with the drinks right away. We're going to strain it. We're going to strain. Just to get all of the juice of the coconut. Squeeze and squeeze. Okay. It's done. So the color is a little bit dark, guys, because of the burnt coconut, but that one is good. So I will use the small fire to cook it. Wow. The glass. As you see, guys. jelly ya. More jelly grass, 200 I like. Also my daughter, she liked the jelly grass more. Alright. So this is the coconut milk. To the coconut milk. And the coconut sugar. Yeah. Wow. This is the best coconut milk jelly grass drinks ever. Alright guys, we're going to try right now. How is the taste? Wow. As you see guys, the jelly grass. See? Wow. Very nice. Let's see. Very nice. You know, the sweetness from the coconut sugar, really good combination with grilled coconut, perfect guys. The smokiness, the flavor of the coconut, grilled coconut, mamma mia, it's really tasty. Alright guys, much more better when you drink it, you put some ice, much more, really more tasty, sweet, cold, perfect guys, perfect drinks, the one that you can prepare at home. Right guys, the ingredients, most of the ingredients I got it from home. Coconut, I have the coconut at home, and I have the coconut at home, and the jelly grass, I will show you how I can get this jelly grass. It's just at the back on the trees, on the frangipani trees. If my wife drink this and my daughter, she will ask one more, always one more. Wow. The drink best ever I have at home. You don't need to buy, you can make in your home guys if you have the ingredients. Luckily, I just enjoy by myself today because my daughter going somewhere with my mom, so I'm alone. Well guys, that's all about the jelly grass drinks. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy guys the step how I make it. So thank you guys for watching our video. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope this little video can give you some inspiration. Alright guys, maybe some of you thinking how, from where it came from, the jelly grass leaves, from which kind of leaves is it, and how looks like the trees. I will show you how is the jelly grass in my home. Okay, kind of the jelly grass, this kind of the leaves, this kind of leaves. Right. Also here I have a lot. Here, this kind guys, this is grass jelly. This is native grass jelly guys. I planted, I think I have around 6 trees, so I don't need to worry if I make more grass jelly for my family. Also I have coconut at home, so I don't need to worry to make something. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget like, comment, share this video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, keep safe at home with your family. Thank you guys. Hope see you on the next video guys. Thank you. Bye bye.